Hello all and welcome to the channel. Today I'd like to do an unboxing and overview of another watch purchase that I made. I purchased this watch specifically from the Clicky Bezel online store. I purchased this watch with my own money. They are not sponsoring this video, nor do I have any affiliation with their company whatsoever. But I will put a link to their website in the description below, just in case this watch happens to catch your fancy, or you would like to learn about more of their other offerings. I actually came across this brand while watching one of Clicky Bezel's YouTube videos, the one where he was specifically in Japan at the time, doing kind of a video on the brand itself and this watch specifically. I really liked the design and the colorway. So let's go ahead and get into it. As you can see, packaging wise, it's just a plain white sleeve. And the brand, Kiwame, Kyoto, Asakusa. So this is a smaller Japanese micro brand, but they have very nice packaging. The box is high quality, and I really like the maroon burgundy colorway. Let's go and get into it. And there's the watch. This specific model that I purchased is the Iwao Ginkai, and it's a field watch. And as you can see, it has applied Arabic numerals at the 3, 6, 9, and 12, as well as applied indices. I also like the texture of the center portion of the dial, as well as the ring, the step ring, giving it some dimension. But yeah, we'll talk a little bit more about the watch, but let's see what else is included in the packaging. Looks like you have card. Okay, so this is the warranty information. And then they include a branded cleaning cloth. Very nice. And the box itself is lined with this velvet fabric. So again, very high quality. So there you have it. And as far as the brand goes, if you've never heard of them, again, they're a smaller Japanese micro brand based in Asakusa, which is a town in the Tokyo area. And Kiwame, from my understanding, means to pursue something to its very limits without compromise. And so you can definitely see that they're keeping true to that motto on the fit and finish of their product. The founder is Masami Watanabe, and he has over 30 years in the watch industry, so definitely well qualified to start his own brand. This specific model, as far as dimensions go, has a 30mm case size, a lug-to-lug of 46mm, so definitely in that sweet spot for a lot of different wrist sizes, and a thickness or case height of 9.5mm, so quite thin, and a lug-to-lug distance of 20mm. So definitely putting it in that strap monster category or territory. The strap itself is very high quality. Genuine leather, white stitching, give it some contrast on the black leather. It has quick release spring bars. It tapers down. On one side, it has the brand, as well as the brand on the buckle. The crown is not a signed crown, which is a little surprising, but it's not the end of the world. The crown is push-pull, and it operates a Miyota 9039 automatic movement. Solid case back with the brand logo. And then 100 meters of water resistance, which is nice. Stainless steel construction. It has that flat sapphire crystal with inner AR coating. And I don't know if it picks it up on camera, but the second hand is heat blued, so giving it a nice pop and contrast against the white dial. And the second hand specifically, the little box shape kind of near the tip, it actually represents, it's the shape of the great roof of the Asakusa Kaminarimon Gate. So kind of paying homage or tribute to their location. And the reason why I purchased this watch was because, one, I like the aesthetic of it. It gives off the field watch and almost a dress watch vibe, given the polish and the leather band or leather strap. So this could be a great everyday watch as well as a dress watch in a pinch. But also, kind of the overall design gives off an explorer-esque type feel. Almost like if the Explorer came in a white dial version and it had a Japanese flair to it. So that's what I really like. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this on wrist. Today I'm wearing my Omega Speedmaster Professional white dial. Just can't get enough of this watch. It just wears so comfortably. All right. So yeah, 38 millimeter case size, 46 lug to lug on my 6.5 inch wrist. That's gonna wear beautifully. And quite thin on the wrist at 9.5 millimeters. So very slender. So this should fit under a cuff, no problem, especially in a kind of dressier situation. But overall, just a great everyday type watch. And with the quick release spring bars, you can put this on a NATO strap, change it up a little bit, make it a little more utilitarian. And it also has lume on the hour and minute hands, as well as in the little box on the seconds hand. So very minimal lume, but still usable. So yeah, let me know, have you heard of this brand before? What do you think of this watch? And please, I encourage you to leave a like on the video. And also, you know, if this video warrants your consideration, please subscribe to the channel if you like these types of videos. It definitely will help out the channel. And hope to bring you more content soon. So we'll see you all in the next one. All right, thank you.